afternoon. This video is going to be a lot of home renovations, home updates, and home projects. So over our staycation, we did a lot of updates to the house as far as hanging up the TV finally, and then we put in shelves for the bathroom closet or the linen closet, and I did some art projects that I'm really super proud of, super proud of. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, there's kind of bits and pieces of videos here and there. I wasn't consistent with filming, so some of the videos might jump around a bit, but overall it's just gonna be a home update video, and so I hope you guys enjoy. White. Cool, right? It's gonna be a beautiful piece of art once I'm done. Watch out.
Ouch!
You like it, baby, so far?
I love it.
Thank you. Here is the finished product. I am so obsessed. I did one layer and then I kind of just like let it dry a little bit, and then I realized that I should, in order to make the details pop more, I just kept adding on more of the speckle. So it definitely looks more texturized, and I am so obsessed. I can't believe I did this by myself, and I hung it up myself. Christian wanted me to wait for him, but I just couldn't wait, and I just think it looks so amazing. I'm so proud of myself. Not to toot my own horn, just the textures, the details, I'm so obsessed. And something like this would probably cost hundreds of dollars if I were to buy it myself. I'm so happy I just decided to DIY it. Oh my goodness.
Several days later.
Here is the chair that I got for my little reading corner upstairs. I'm gonna bring it up before I start putting it together. One of the updates, I ended up getting this chair. I ordered it from Target. It's the perfect size for this little space, and my idea was to have a little reading corner, just because when Christian goes to sleep, I want to be able to have a corner over here to be able to turn on the light and do some reading before bed. So I'm going to be getting a side table here as well, so I can put some journals and books there. But yeah, this is gonna be my little reading nook. And then over here, I just put some random decorations, candles. I got my beautiful tulips from Mariano's. So yeah, I really like this area for a reading nook because otherwise it's just kind of empty space, and then I thought I could make good use of it over here. Alright, I just got a package in from Amazon, and I hope to goodness that it's going to be as good as I think it's going to be. It's going to be for my little reading nook over here, and well, you'll see. I'm going to unbox it. 3, 2, 1. I absolutely hate this, and I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, the rug itself is gorgeous. It's really, really good quality. It's super nice. But what was I thinking with this gray carpet? How could I go so wrong, you know? I had in my head that it was going to be this visionary little reading corner, but with the gray carpeting, I hate carpet, by the way. I wish the entire house was just hardwood floor. But yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with this gray carpet. I should have just gotten like a regular white, I don't know, maybe nothing at all. But yeah, this is a no. I'm gonna definitely move this rug somewhere else. I still love it. I just don't love it here with this ugly carpet. Now I gotta think of where I want it. It's gonna have to go in the main room somewhere because that is hardwood. I ended up putting it here, and I absolutely hate it. I hate it so much, but I really don't have anywhere else to put it, so it's staying here for now. Just look, it's just not the size for a space like this. But for now, it's fine. Maybe when we get like our dining table over here, I can put it under the dining table. I'm thinking, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do because it's still like browns and like neutral color, so I think it'll be good over there once we get our dining table. Yeah. And then here is the TV that we hung up. It twirls and spins and pulls out and things like that. It is perfect for this space. I'll show you the back of it. Before, Christian wasn't sure if there were, what's it called? Not brackets, but studs. He wasn't sure if there's any studs for us to be able to hang this up. But it would have been such a waste of space if we weren't gonna be able to hang up a TV here. So luckily it all worked out and we have a TV now. Here's all my plants that I have collected. This one is the one that my mom gave me, and she's doing great. And then this is Gloria that I've had for 6 years, ever since I started my office job downtown. I got this as a desk plant, and she's been thriving ever since, and I'm convinced it's because I named her. Her name is Gloria because she's glorious. And then this one I recently picked up from Mariano's. It's pink and purple and green. It's beautiful. And I also picked this one up from Mariano's as well. I just love the stripes and detail of this plant. I'm gonna love them all as much as possible and hope that they live for years and years. And then over here, I'm not sure if I've ever showed this, but this bar cart I got from Target. It's rose gold, and I had this from the apartment, and I have all these vintage glasses that I thrifted. And then the bottom is like hard alcohol, my wines and stuff, and at the top it's like bourbons and a big jug of wine. And then this mirror I got from TJ Maxx. It's marble on the outer rim. which is really unique, but I don't know if it necessarily goes with this room. I almost wish I got a gold one instead. So Christian put the shelves in with some wood that my mom gave to us, and I painted it. It was not the best paint job because you can kind of still see the wood underneath, the natural wood underneath, but I figured since we're going to be putting stuff on it, it doesn't really matter. So I put my vacuum here. I think I'm going to do like toilet paper, paper towels down here, bath towels, bedding, things like that, and then some cleaning stuff. But oh, I also bought some what's it called, command strip hooks, or command strips, and then I bought these hooks from Amazon. So I think I'm gonna hang my robe, my bathrobes here. I have it on this side as well. So that is how it's looking. And then over here, before I just had my Sunday Ivory stuff products in here, but since I've closed down this store this year, now it's just kind of like a craft room. So these are all the items that I'm selling on Poshmark that I have listed. So if any of these get sold, I can just go ahead and grab it. And then I have my packaging stuff all in here. So I have my thank you cards, shipping labels, and then I also have my packaging in here. So everything's easily accessible. And then this is stuff I'm gonna be giving to my friend. And then, yeah, so I think, oh, and these shelves or cabinets were in my office before, but I decided to move it into this space. I am finally done organizing this closet, and I'm gonna show you what I've been working on. Okay, so up top we have some bath towels, and then I have more in the wash. I couldn't wash them all, so there will be more coming. We got some bed sheets and pillowcases. And then down here, we got feminine care, we got extra toothpaste, extra toothbrush, and extra razors. And then we got some wipes. We have some hair products, some extra makeup. And then we have Kleenex, TP, cleaning supplies, and a steamer. And then over here, I just hung up my robe. It's so soft. And then I got some hooks on this side. I don't know what I'm gonna do over here, but, and then we have our vacuum. I am liking it very much. Alrighty, that's gonna do it for this video. I have a lot more video ideas planned for the weeks and months ahead, so I hope you guys will follow along with me. If you want to see more from me, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting. That is very much appreciated. Have a beautiful, lovely rest of your day, and until next video, bye!